What's going on, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy G from G Exotic Finches. Here we got some Fife's Canary. They are available. We got 3 males and 3 females left. These 2 are females. That one that just jumped down is a male. The one next to it's a male. And the grayish blue is a female. The one on the bottom is a male. So the 2 green is a male, with the following by the one on the floor over there is a male. This 3/4 with the yellow tail sings amazing. So doesn't the one back there. This one, haven't heard him sing yet. But go check them out on the web. www.gsexoticfinches.com. This guy right here is a male. Both of them. That nice little female. Look how nice and round that is. Super birds. Super quality. Don't mind the Goulian. A buddy of mine gave it to me because he didn't have time to treat it or take care of it. So over here at G's Exotic Finches, that little bird is gonna thrive and breed next year. Alright guys, go check them out. Grab them while you can.